boy again, peoples. But this time, I'm armed. Ah! Also, right now, we have a feral dog. But anyway, I will now introduce you to my house. Please follow me. This, my boys and girls, who love this show and love this show. We have this beautiful tree. Also,
Nice.
this is my home. But also, we might start posting our show on a different page. You can look that up on Young Joker's page. You do the Young Joker 1000. Anyway, you see this gun? Do you see, peoples? Today is a gloomy day. But not in my world. Today, I got 2 words. Today's the day to hunt down one of your enemies and prove to
That's not 2 words.
you're the best. Of course not, you idiots. If it was 2 words, then I would have just said it's 2 words. I didn't say that. Did I?
Yes, you did.
That's beside the Gucci point. Anyway, people call me a lunatic because I sometimes talk to myself. Who's talking to themselves? You're talking to yourself, you fool. Shut up. Why do you shut up? I got the bazooka here, bub. That's it. Why do I feel a sudden rage? Turn back over. Sup?